Yeah, what I'm doing. Yeah, my new machine just came, so I'm trying to put everything together. You can see it's the new machine that I just bought. Connected here. You know, it's good to do a bit of everything. Don't wait for somebody to come and help you. You know? Don't wait for anybody to come and help you. It's good. Someone try to do a bit of everything. I just connected it. I paid money for them, for the delivery service to come and take the old one and connect the new one, but they didn't do it. So I decided to do it myself. I've connected it. Now I just have to put it to sit well. When it's still shaking, I have to put it to be well. Then I put it in the current. Just put it in the current. Then I open. It's a new machine, as you can see. This opening it. You see? So I have tried my best. Okay. This one. Okay, this is there's a new phone that came with the machine. I think I have to change the other one and put this one. If not, then I don't know whether the one that came with the old machine can still work. So I will just try to remove the other one.